Alright guys, and our mystery business is Donald.
Yeah.
Come here. You see that person?
Yo, come on. What are you doing?
Why are you here and you're not subscribed?
This is like the...
You want to know where we at?
Video.
You want to know the end result of what this video is about?
I want to know what business it is, you feel me?
Yeah.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow us on our journey, you feel me? Like,
exactly.
Y'all don't want to see two black entrepreneurs win? What y'all doing out here, bro? You feel me?
As always, we're going to give you guys some time. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Everything DSK. Yay!
Right.
And on today's episode, we got something special for you guys.
We got a banger for you guys as usual, you feel me? Like, this is not like a regular video we do. Like, we're never out.
No, we're starting small business adventures.
Like, we're gonna like do like these little vlogs for you guys to like see like how our life is. Like, life as an entrepreneur, you feel me?
In the first video, we talked about we were starting a new business, but we're not gonna tell you guys about it. But we wanna start doing videos where we do explain our business, the process, and try and help little entrepreneurs like you start your own.
Yeah, we're on our way to the bank first and then Costco. So basically, like this business, like the second business that we started, you guys would never guess what it is because it's like so uncommon. Like,
yeah, it's weird.
It's common.
We
but
probably
uncommon.
only told like our family and like one other person.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we're back from the bank.
Hey, it's only back from the
sun
bank,
is
you feel me?
busting.
Mad people were like eyeing me down as I'm taking out the money from the bank. Cause this is a lot of money, you feel me? But we're gonna show you a little bit so you can take half. This is the money that we got for DSK. This is what we're gonna use. Like, this is the surprise business we're gonna do.
Yeah,
like,
we're about to purchase
you know,
something for the
contract
business.
deals, like, you know what I'm saying? We have to just purchase it. Like, yeah, we're gonna show you guys, you feel me? Like, we've been working on this for months.
And it's finally coming into being. It's finally happening. To God be the glory, feel me?
For real, you feel
Yeah.
me? But anyways, guys, so like we're gonna vlog when we get to Costco. Hopefully they don't say nothing to us. Tomorrow's a big day and we're gonna show you guys. It's gonna be crazy, you feel me? I remember we're dropping on the 25th. Like, yo, look at her hat.
So cute.
Look at her hat, you feel me? This is one of one. So if somebody buys it, you're never gonna see this hat ever again. So make sure y'all on this night, you feel me? No faking.
Do you guys prefer Coca-Cola? Oh, these are so cool. Oh, I love these. Bottled Coca-Cola just tastes better. Yummy, yummy.
Ready? Do a look. Wait, let me zoom in. Let me zoom into
My hands are ugly.
I feel like both look at the price, like where's it gonna be, you feel me? The small business adventures. Guys, we're finally leaving. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? $1,000 trips out here, you feel me? Woo. Yo, I know somebody probably hit my car with the cart, man. This is why you never park next to the carts.
Come on, let's move with some pep, y'all. Put some pep in your step. What's up, guys?
Day 2.
We're on the busy streets of Jazzy City. Yes, Jazzy City. And where are we heading, Donald?
We're heading to the location for our new business. Like, it's gonna be like a surprise reveal right now.
Yeah, guys, if you haven't guessed what the business is yet, time is ticking because we're heading there right now.
We're going there to make the final purchases, give the money, get the keys, and you know what I'm saying? Like,
It's about to go down. Sorry for the red light, but the car in front of us.
yo, even with the red light in front of us, like, we still look crazy.
Yeah. Ooh. Guys, we are here at the location.
Where's your mask, girl?
In my hand. We are here at the location.
Guys, we're so excited to tell you guys we're here finally. Like, so basically we're unloading the car and we're gonna show you the surprise. Like, it's about to come soon, guys, so like, get ready.
Yeah, if you haven't guessed what our top secret business is, then you got like 2 minutes left. And our mystery business is vending machines.
We got vending machines, guys. Like, I think no one was gonna guess what it was. You feel me?
Yes, we're starting
A vending machine business. Yo,
we're so excited, guys.
We got something to snack. We're gonna fill up the machine actually. So
yeah, we're
been
starting to
bringing
fill
in
up the
snacks
machine.
as we go, basically. So like,
All right, let's do this thing.
back up so they can see it. And boom. So guys, you guys can see like we've been here for like over like 2 hours already. We're almost done like packing like all the boxes and everything. So like we're doing that. You can see SarahKay's over here from the machine. So we're gonna get more of that. So we're almost done, guys. Like it's about like
My forehead is booming.
it's about like 10. It's about 10 o'clock right now. So we're like almost done. But we're gonna catch you guys though.
Alright guys, so our night is basically over. This is the coolest jug. Like I never thought I would own a vending machine. That's so crazy. So random. Anyways, woo.